Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon once again. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the University of Cape Coast. This is the School of Medical Sciences Auditorium, and this afternoon we are pleased to welcome all of you to the inaugural lecture of Professor Denis Worlanyo Aheto. Professor Denis Worlanyo Aheto is a professor of coastal ecology and interdisciplinary oceans studies. This afternoon, he will be speaking on our oceans, securing our common future through transformative research. My name is Akosiachi Abiasaki, and I'll be emceeing this lecture.
Professor Aheto will synthesize his scholarship and contribution to knowledge in his field of specialization, which is coastal ecology and interdisciplinary ocean studies.
Why we are concerned is the fact that if you take the globe, the surface of the earth, 70% is covered by water. Africa, out of the 55 nations of the continent, 38 of them are coastal. For Africa to be able to benefit from its ocean economy, we need to build the needed human capital. We need to aim at increasing our human development index so that we can meet the goals of that Africa we want. I thank you all for being part of my journey. Yeah.